So very good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So my question for you is that how can India speed the growth to achieve the 5 trillion economy goal using science and technology?
Yeah, definitely. Since everything, the invention, innovations, and all happens with the help of the science, and our young generation is doing a lot of research, right from the school level, college level, university level, and all the organizations which are giving chance to our youth to invent, to transform their ideas into invention, innovations, and definitely that will contribute a lot directly, because the idea has been transformed in invention, innovations. Then technology has to be transferred to the that segment of the society of manufacturing sector, and our small, whether it is a small sector, whether it is a medium sector, they transform the ideas into real product. That real product that come up in such a way that will replace the input. In that sense, we can save the foreign exchange also. That will be our Swadeshi production. In all idea will be transformed through youth with the help of innovation, invention, and going for patenting. Nowadays, on global level, IPR is a big challenge. And in particular in our country, we do have a lot of ideas, a lot of IPRs, patents, say, but legally we are not strong. The Western world, they are filing their patents, they are filing their right, even the things, the products which have been, we are owner of that patent. We are producer of that particular thing under geographical indication. Say for long battle was there for Basmati, for Haldi, Tulsi, right-wise traditional system of medicines. We are very strong in that area, and that can help us that through idea, through traditional research, through innovations, we can transform that, and we can sell our that products. I can quote one example, that's our Ayurveda and other allopathy or Ayurvedic Unani. There are so many things, but naturopathy, we are having lot of root plants, spices, which can cure all such dangerous disease. And our people, our young generation, boys and girls they are doing lot of efforts to invent such products which can increase your immunity, and definitely your immunity is strong. Then all these virus, whatever is happening in China, etc., so many other virus, we can prevent them. Direct attack. So science in traditional way that can help to transform the idea in invention, innovations, and we can have intellectual property, strong intellectual property. We can go for more and more patent, and once we got the patents, we got the rights, we can sell our that particular product across the globe. And definitely that is going to help to achieve our 5 trillion economy. This is my idea, this is my views for this.
So do you think that like introducing IPR as a subject in secondary education would help? Like should this be a
introductory at that level? At least our students, they should aware what is intellectual property, what are our rights, and how we can secure our intellectual property. Say for, I can quote one example, there are so many herbs, there are so many plants which are the remedial measure for small disease. So if awareness will be there, then students at level of middle level, they can polish their intellectual property while they are entering in the colleges, in the universities, in the research institutions. And now under this government leadership, our Honorable Prime Minister has given a space that there should be a proper coordination, proper liaising between a researcher, academia, and producer. Say for if a researcher, he transformed the idea, got the support from the academia, and then give it to the transfer it to the producer. It will be a chain to transform the ideas into a product. And if we got the product, definitely we are going to contribute a lot to the our economy. We can save a lot of foreign exchange. Right now we are importing a lot of things, a lot of medicines and this. So in that particular, our young generation, our young innovators, our scientists, they can do a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.